Alright guys, so it's been a couple days and I gotta get in the swing of things again because I started working on the RZR behind me and I totally forgot to grab the camera to show you guys what I was doing and why I was doing it. So, it's the RZR. Love this little thing. I bought it a year ago, 2 years ago, about a year ago. And the guy I bought it from said that the motor eats oil and to keep a good eye on it, and I was, but I think what happened is the ring had failed, and then it drained the little bit of oil that's in the case, and it blew up. So it seized on me. So I got a guy who can rebuild it. I'm gonna have somebody do that, and then I'll reinstall, put everything back together. So what have I done so far? So I got this pile of parts. Took the door off and all the outside stuff, and got the fenders off and the bumper and the bed. Sorry for the wind, you know how it is. I got the sway bar off. He goes right here. What else have I gotten off? I got the exhaust off. That comes around. What else have I gotten off? What else is in this pile? Air filter. Got that off just for space. That's all that is. Yeah, so that's about it, actually. So the guy's really cool I'm working with. He's helping me out with how to exactly get this thing out of here. So I need to get underneath it, get this belly pan off, and get the two I guess there's two bolts that keep the motor and transmission together. And you guys still disconnect like the coolant lines and whatever else. So we'll get there. So yeah, that's what we're gonna work on. So we're gonna work on a little bit today. I've been just kind of working on a little bit here and there when I have time. Like I said in the previous video, I've been gone for quite a while, so just catching up on everything. It's a blast. All right, guys. So we're gonna get hit on this. Like I said, I'm probably gonna drop that belly pan now. Probably disconnect these coolant lines and let them dump, and go from there. All right, guys. See you on the flip side. Alright guys, I think that's it for the day. Not too long. Just working on a little bit here and here and there. So we got the belly pan off. I think we got the bolts off we need to take off. Got the starter off, throttle body, fuel injectors, drained the coolant. So got a lot done. I tried to take the PTO cover off, but there's just not enough room for it, so I may have to do some more disassembling. I'm tired of disassembling this thing. It's just one piece here, one piece there, one piece here, one piece there until never ending. So anyway, we'll figure it out tomorrow. May just be a couple bolts. Might be a quick and easy removal. That'd be nice, right? Anywho, yeah, so that's where we're gonna leave it. So it's looking pretty good. I do have a leaky shock. One of my shocks is leaking, so I'm gonna have to get that repaired. Oh, it says Podium X. Podium X. Okay, cool. I'm sorry. Side note of what the shocks are. So I've been looking up if I could repair myself, but you need nitrogen. Jesus, I'm really bad at this today. You need nitrogen to do it. So yeah. So it's a little bit sure. I'm hoping I can take apart. I want to separate the motor and the transmission and leave the transmission in if I can. If not, that's a lot more disassembly we're going to have to do. We'll see. I'm going to pick up the manual tonight and look at it. Alright guys, so that's going to end it for today. Hope you guys had a good one. And like, subscribe, comment, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff. And until next time, peace.